Are you looking to level up your home's security in 2025? Whether you're protecting your family, monitoring deliveries, or keeping an eye on your backyard, a reliable home security camera system is a must. But with so many models on Amazon, which one is right for you? In this video, we break down the top 5 best home security cameras on Amazon 2025. From smart motion detection to 360 degrees pan and tilt, color night vision, and solar-powered options, there's something here for everyone, whether you're on a budget or looking for a top-tier setup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. ANNKE 3K Lite Security Camera System E200. Starting off strong is the ANNKE 3K Lite Security Camera System, a comprehensive wired surveillance setup ideal for large homes or businesses. 8-channel DVR with H.265 plus compression. 8 cameras with 1920 TiVo resolution. IP67 waterproof rating. Smart AI detection for people and vehicles. Color night vision and dual light system. Includes 1 terabyte hard drive for recording. This system gives you full coverage with 8 durable cameras. Perfect for front doors, backyards, garages, and driveways. The AI detection is reliable, distinguishing between people and vehicles to reduce false alerts. The color night vision is bright, thanks to its smart lighting. Installation is wired, which makes it more secure and consistent than Wi-Fi systems, though setup may require some drilling and cable management. Pros: professional-grade wired system, reliable AI motion detection, color night vision, 1 terabyte local storage included, no monthly fees. Homeowners who want full property coverage and reliable 24/7 recording. Number 2. AOSU Wireless Outdoor Security Camera System 4Cam Kit. Next up is the AOSU 4Cam Wireless Kit, a no-subscription solar-powered system that's ideal for DIYers. For wireless cameras, solar-powered, no charging needed, 360 degrees pan and tilt plus auto-tracking, 2K resolution with color night vision, supports 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, no monthly fees. These cameras are smart, they rotate to track motion, automatically follow moving objects, and record in crisp 2K quality. Solar panels keep them charged 24/7, so there's no maintenance or battery swaps. The setup is surprisingly simple via app, and the app doesn't require a subscription for key features. Reviewers praise the motion tracking and night vision, especially for rural areas or large driveways. Pros: 100% wire-free with solar charging, 360 degrees motion tracking, 2K resolution, great app with no fees, easy to install. Users who want a wireless, maintenance-free setup with smart tracking features. Number 3. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. In the third spot, we've got the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro, the go-to for those in the Amazon smart home ecosystem. Full HD video with color night vision, built-in floodlights, 3D motion detection plus bird's eye view. Works with Alexa and Ring app, two-way talk and real-time alerts. This camera does more than just record, it deters intruders with 2 bright floodlights and advanced radar-based motion detection. The bird's eye view shows a top-down map of motion, giving more context to alerts. Installation is wired, so it needs to replace an existing outdoor light fixture. Cloud storage requires a Ring Protect plan, $3.99 per month, but features like live view and motion alerts are free. Pros: very bright lights for security, excellent motion tracking, works with Alexa, 2-way audio, smart home users who want high visibility protection with Alexa integration. Number 4. eufy Security SoloCam S340 Solar Wireless. At number 4 is the eufy SoloCam S340, a wireless solar camera with pan, tilt, and 0 blind spots, 360 degrees pan and tilt functionality, 2K resolution, solar-powered, no charging required, works with Homebase S380, no subscription required. eufy continues to shine in the no-subscription space. The SoloCam S340 rotates to cover large areas and records in 2K, delivering detailed footage day or night. It stores footage locally, which means 0 ongoing fees. The pan and tilt is responsive and useful for covering wide spaces like yards or side alleys. The built-in solar panel keeps it running for months without charging. Pros: solar-powered with local storage, full 360 degrees rotation, no subscription required, crisp 2K footage. Anyone who wants true wireless security with privacy and no ongoing costs. Number 5. S14P2K wireless security camera with AI and siren. Last on the list is the S14P2K wireless camera system, which brings powerful AI detection and solar charging at an affordable price. 2K video quality, AI motion detection with built-in siren, color night vision, solar-powered with SD and cloud storage options. Weatherproof, IP66 rating. This setup focuses on deterrence and detection. The AI distinguishes people from pets or cars, and it sounds a loud siren when needed. The solar charging ensures 24/7 uptime, and setup is fully wireless. Users love the Easy mobile app and the fact that it supports both local SD cards and optional cloud storage. Pros: 2K resolution with color night vision, AI motion alerts plus siren, solar panel charging, multiple storage options. Homeowners who want smart AI protection with siren deterrent and flexible storage. So those are the top 5 best home security cameras on Amazon 2025. Whether you want a plug-and-play smart cam or a full 8-channel surveillance system, there's an option here for every home and budget. All links are in the description below. Check them out to see the latest prices and customer reviews. If this video helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and top tech roundups. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.